Welcome to our biscuit manufacturing factory. Today we will explore the complete process of how delicious biscuits are made in a modern factory. Biscuits are one of the most popular snacks in the world. People of all ages enjoy them with tea, coffee, or milk. In this video, you will see every step from raw ingredients to final packaging. Let's begin our journey inside the biscuit factory. The process starts with raw materials. The main ingredients are wheat flour, sugar, vegetable oil, or buttermilk powder, baking powder, salt flavors. All these ingredients are stored in large, clean storage areas. The factory keeps everything fresh and safe. Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled. Before production begins, quality control staff check all ingredients. They test moisture level, freshness, purity, weight. Only approved ingredients move to the next step. This ensures every biscuit tastes perfect. Now the ingredients go into a large industrial mixer. First, flour and sugar are added. Then butter or oil is mixed. After that, milk powder and other ingredients are added. The mixer rotates at high speed. The result is a smooth and soft dough. This dough is the base of all biscuits. After mixing, the dough is allowed to rest. This step helps improve texture, improve flavor, make shaping easier. The dough rests for 10 to 20 minutes in controlled conditions. Next, the dough moves to the rolling machine. The machine flattens the dough into a thin sheet. The thickness is carefully controlled. If the sheet is too thick, biscuits will be hard. If too thin, they may break. Perfect thickness is very important. Now the flat dough sheet moves to a cutting machine. The machine cuts biscuits into different shapes: round, square, rectangle. Special designs extra dough is collected and reused. Some biscuits have beautiful designs or brand names on top. A stamping roller presses patterns on the surface. This gives biscuits an attractive look. Now comes the most important step, baking. The shaped biscuits move into a long tunnel oven. The oven temperature is around 180 to 250 degrees Celsius. Inside the oven, moisture reduces color, turns golden brown. Biscuits become crispy. Baking takes several minutes. After baking, biscuits are very hot. They move to a cooling conveyor belt. Cool air passes over them. Cooling prevents moisture and keeps them crispy. For cream biscuits, another step is added. A cream filling machine places sweet cream between two biscuits. Flavors may include chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. The biscuits are gently pressed together. Now workers and machines check biscuits again. They remove broken biscuits, overbaked pieces, underbaked pieces. Only perfect biscuits move forward. For safety, biscuits pass through a metal detector machine. This ensures there are no metal particles. Safety is the top priority. Automatic machines count biscuits. They arrange them in rows. This prepares them for packaging. Biscuits are packed in plastic wrappers. The packaging machine wraps, seals prints, date, and batch number. This protects biscuits from air and moisture. Wrapped biscuits are packed into boxes. Boxes are sealed and labeled. Large cartons are prepared for shipping. Packed cartons move to the warehouse. The warehouse is clean, dry, organized products wait here before delivery. Trucks arrive at the factory. Cartons are loaded carefully. Biscuits are delivered to supermarkets, grocery stores, online retailers. The factory follows strict hygiene rules. Workers wear hairnets, gloves, masks, clean uniforms. Machines are cleaned daily. This keeps the biscuits safe and healthy. Now you have seen the complete biscuit manufacturing process. From raw flour to tasty, crispy biscuits, every step is carefully controlled. Modern factories use advanced machines to produce millions of biscuits every day. Next time you eat a biscuit, you will remember the amazing journey it took to reach you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more factory process videos. See you in the next video.